In 1991, India opened itself to the world through one-of-its-kind liberalization reforms, and world's leading beverage company PepsiCo decided to enter the country and kickstart a long-term relationship with Indian consumers. Sometimes just one visionary decision born out of deep conviction is all it takes to make a successful leap of faith and realize impressive growth. One such decision was made by Mr. Ravi Jaipuria in 1991, when he decided to collaborate with PepsiCo as its bottling partner.
PepsiCo has been an integral part of RJ Corp Group journey since 1991, when I started bottling Pepsi products from a single plant in Agra. Since day one, I have believed in PepsiCo's product proposition for consumers and its potential in India. Today, I am proud to say Varun Beverages is one of the largest bottling partners of PepsiCo globally.
The group formed Varun Beverages Limited (VBL) to focus and rise in the beverages industry, and indeed, VBL has been successfully living up to growth challenges with high energy and making its footprints across India and in the international markets.
Varun Beverages is very close to my heart because it's named after my son Varun.
Varun Beverages is a company which I've grown up with, and Pepsi is just not a brand but a member of my family. We have great brands and, more importantly, a solid manufacturing and distribution footprint across the country, and a solid team to help us deliver the goal.
Today, it enjoys a market capitalization of 15,000 plus crore rupees, having emerged as one of the largest bottling partners of PepsiCo globally, accounting for its 51% sales volume in India. VBL is operating 20 manufacturing plants in India with a retail reach of 1.2 million outlets. And in the last few decades, it has expanded to Nepal, Sri Lanka, Morocco, Zambia and Zimbabwe, taking its total sales to 300 plus million cases per annum across all these geographies.
We have state-of-the-art manufacturing lines in our plants with combi blocks, tri blocks running at 700 BPM plus. At VBL, we strive for continuous improvement, and our KPIs are one of the best in industry. Most of our lines are at very good efficiency, with few of our PET lines running at 90% plus efficiency continuously since last 5 years.
Over the years, VBL has won many awards and accolades, having been recognized as the best bottler in the world in 1997 and Bottler of the Year in 2007, 2011 and 2014 for its contribution to PepsiCo's business. The towering vision, supported by an immensely dedicated team, helped Varun Beverages Limited go public in 2016, getting listed at Indian stock exchanges. VBL has a strong people-centric approach, giving its employees and business partners different opportunities to learn, grow and become strong leaders.
Varun Beverages started its journey in 1991 with one plant in Agra. Since then, VBL has grown both organically and inorganically. This would not have been possible without commitment, passion and teamwork. Our carefully selected employees are the biggest strength for us. We have provided career opportunities to everyone, many of whom have gone ahead to take up leadership position within the company.
My career journey with VBL is of over 20 years now, and during this period I have worked at various levels in sales and marketing. I'm very excited and thrilled and pretty sure that with the power of our distribution and infrastructure network, we will set a new benchmark.
मैंने 10 साल पेप्सिको में काम किया है और 2015 के अंदर काफ़ी मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे जो वरुण बेवरेजेस में काम कर रहे थे और उस टाइम पे मेरे पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ थी कि मैं या तो आउट ऑफ पेप्सी कहीं अपना कैरियर देखूं। उनसे कंसल्ट करने के बाद मैंने जब देखा कि ये ग्रोइंग कंपनी है तो मैंने फिर डिसाइड किया कि मैं वरुण बेवरेजेस ही ज्वाइन करूंगा।
मैंने अपना कैरियर 2007 में पेप्सिको में स्टार्ट किया था। 2018 में तो मेरे को कंपनी ने, मैनेजमेंट ने चांस दिया, एक मौका दिया कि तू प्रूफ करके दिखाओ। तो मैंने 2 महीने में ही अच्छा वर्क किया, अच्छी ग्रोथ दिखाई और मैनेजमेंट में 6 महीने का प्रॉमिस करके भी मेरे को 2 महीने में ही एज ए ASM कन्फर्म कर दिया। और 2018 में जैसे मेरी ASM की जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई तो मैंने कंपनी के हाई मैनेजमेंट की पॉलिसी के हिसाब से और उनकी गाइडेंस के हिसाब से अच्छा वर्क किया मार्केट में। उन्होंने मेरे साथ आके मार्केट में वर्क विद किया, जो चीज़ें मेरे को ASM में कमी थी उन्होंने सिखाई। तो आज उसका रिजल्ट है 2018 में मैं पंजाब का बेस्ट ASM बना।
At Varun Beverages, we are continuously building a future-ready organization with the competencies needed to win in a highly competitive marketplace. Our 5,000 plus colleagues include industry veterans and fresh minds from India's top management and technical institutes. This creates a great combination of solid experience with new thinking. We have been awarded the National Best Employer Brand for 2018 by ET Now. We are excited and confident of what the future holds in store for us.
At VBL, we have an open-minded and diverse work culture. A large number of colleagues today are women, and we constantly endeavor to create a healthy working environment for them. Our policies are tailor-made for women, looking at their safety and comfort. I personally feel valued and respected, and am delighted to be a part of the organization.
Since inception, VBL's focus has been on taking good care of its people, resulting in building employee relationships, many of which go beyond 20 years.
As I stand here, distinctly remembering December 1999 when I joined VBL as ADC. This company actually gives you a fulfilling and enriching career opportunities, and which I really feel proud to be associated with. My journey in VBL actually is a journey from west to east, all geographical opportunities, all business challenges, and new walks of life and new peoples at every point of a time. This is what VBL has given to me.
My name is Mohit Yadav. I have done my PGDM from IIM Calcutta. In my very first role, I was given the responsibility of handling modern trade Punjab, and in a short span of 7 to 8 months, I was moved to a central role wherein I'll be responsible for not just one unit, but I'll be handling multiple units of VBL. So one thing I've noticed in VBL is that performance really matters, and I am looking forward to a long, fulfilling career here in VBL.
The people-centric culture of the company has resulted in a special employee club lovingly called V20. The club has numerous employees as members who have spent 20 years or more and have grown to senior positions over the years. They are the most valuable intangible assets of the organization. VBL has built trust-driven relationships with 3,500 plus distributors, with many associations covering 2 generations within the same distributor family.
हम लोगों ने 1996 में वरुण बेवरेज के साथ जुड़कर दिल्ली से शुरुआत की। उस समय हमने 2 लाख कैरेट से शुरुआत की थी। आज हम 80 लाख कैरेट के करीब कंपनी के साथ काम कर रहे हैं।
This is Anuj Goenka and we are proud business partners of Varun Beverages. My father started association with Varun Beverages long back in 1996. We started with a very small setup with just a few lakh cases, followed by Gurgaon and a few more setups, and today we are proud to tell that we have 7 setups in Varun Beverages, 5 of beverages and 2 of Tropicana.
Keeping pace with times, VBL has been a first mover in adopting new and different technologies at its plants and sales operations to stay ahead of the curve and make the organization future ready.
कंपनी ने टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ करते हुए एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म इंट्रोड्यूस करा है जियो कोडिंग और डायनामिक रूटिंग का, जिसमें हर आउटलेट को एक यूनिक कोड दिया गया है, जिसके हमें मेजरली 2 बेनिफिट्स हैं। एक तो सारे PSR को प्रॉपर रीचिंग उनकी आउटलेट्स पे है या नहीं, ये इंश्योर करता है। दूसरा, जो उससे ऑर्डर्स आते हैं उनसे डायनामिक रूटिंग के लिए थ्रू नेक्स्ट डे के लिए एक प्रॉपर डिलीवरी प्लान निकल के आ जाता है।
As a part of corporate social responsibility, the company also undertakes various social initiatives like drinking water supply to villages, adoption of water bodies, Go Green Drive, free health checkup camps, and many more. Today, VBL is an energy house of motivated people with big achievements and even bigger dreams to delight consumers and associates alike and bring forth a new world of opportunities.